Welcome back to the shop. I'm Mike. Today I'm going to show you how to find a short circuit. Short circuits can cause your battery to drain. It's also known as a parasitic loss. And I'm going to show you how to do that using a very simple $5 tool. Here's the tool we'll be using. It's a voltage tester. What we'll be doing is taking one end and hooking it to the negative battery cable, and then we'll take the other end and hook it or touch on the negative terminal of the battery. Whenever the light is showing here, that indicates that we have a closed circuit. In this case, it'll be a short circuit that we'll be detecting. And anytime we'll see the light off, then we know that we have removed that short circuit. So let me show you how this is done physically on the car. First thing you do is disconnect the negative battery cable from the battery, then connect the lead from the voltage tester on the negative battery cable, and then you take the tester and connect it to the negative terminal on the battery. If the light lights, that means you have a short circuit, and by doing this, by connecting to the negative side of the terminal, you're actually closing that circuit or continuing that circuit. That's why the light is lighting. Next thing you do is go to the fuse box and disconnect each fuse one by one until you get the situation where the negative or the light no longer lights. In that case, you have found the circuit with the short circuit. So I've already found that circuit. I'm going to show you how that's done. Okay, I have pulled the fuse from the offending circuit, and now I'm touching the tester to the negative battery terminal. Of course, you see there is no further lighting of that circuit, so the circuit's no longer closed, and no current is flowing. So found the problem. I'm temporarily going to keep the fuse out of that that circuit. It wasn't an important circuit. It was only for the clock and the lighter, so not a big concern. I will, and the courtesy lights. What I will end up doing in the future is to trace where the actual short is and eliminate that short. But in the meantime, I will have a car that I can count on starting every morning. Thanks for stopping by the shop. Remember, if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe.